Hi guys, today I want us to talk about clippers. I have been receiving a lot of messages about clippers and I decided to talk about it today specifically for clippers. You know, so wherever you find yourself, if you come across this video, make sure you share for others to benefit. So I'll first of all talk about, we have different type of clippers. We have trimmer and we have clipper. You get it? The trimmer, we use it for beard, shaving and line up and those stuff. That is the trimmer. And the clipper we use it for fading and those stuff. You get it. So I want to talk about, let's start from clipper. You see, this is it. We have wireless one and we have cordless one. You get it. So but as for me, I use wireless one because it's easy to move around the air, stand everywhere and just deliver. So you see, this is the clipper. Some people use this for shaving, at the same time use it to trim. you know yes, if you do the settings well, you can do it that way. But my advice as a professional barber to you is that make sure you are getting a trimmer separate from the clipper. You get it? So this is the clipper, this is the clipper. You get it? It's two clippers. I have wireless one, I have cordless one. You get it? So this is the clipper I use for, you see, it's the same. Actually, I use chemi trimmer. You see, it's the same product but different color. Let me show you guys something. This one I've used it for almost 2 years. This one I've used it for like, let's say 3 months or 4 months. This one, 3 months or 4 months. But this one is still strong than this one. You know the reason why? The battery that is inside this one, if I charge it, I can use it for the whole day. But as for this one, if I charge it, I'll use it, let's say, if I use it continuously like 3 4 hours, I need to recharge it again. You see, so it means that the battery that is here is not strong. This could be something like maybe the clipper have been there for long and the battery have fall. That is why if you charge it small time, then it go down. So fast forward, this is the clipper I use. This one you can use it for trimming, taper fade, 3 steps, 2 steps, sweat, down cut, everything you can use this clippers for. And most people use it for shape cutting. Yes, you can use it for shape cutting. If you set the blade very well, actually you can use it for shape cutting. You get it? You can use it to trim, at the same time use it for shape cutting. Those who don't have money to buy maybe trimmer at the same time clipper separately, you can, but as for me, my advice to you is that try your possible best to get clipper separate from trimmer. You get trimmer and get a clipper. You get it, so that it can make your work easy. You see, so this one I use the two. As I said, I have set this to skin and I have set this to a certain level. Although it's the same product, the same clipper and this, but it does different work. It does different work. This one is very sharp than this one. But this one, although it's sharp, but I like the way it is because sometimes some of the fading, you don't really need a sharp machine like that. You need a sharp machine, but not too sharp. So this one is very sharp. So if I use this for skin, let's say for the skin, then I use this for what do you call it? I put the number one guide. Let me show you guys. Sorry, and I use this. If I use this for the skin, let's say 2 steps, 3 steps, taper fade, then I use the number one guide. You see, this is the number one guide. Everybody knows it. You get it, number one guide. So this is how you place it. You see, we have a different form. This is how you put it in. See, there is a locker at the back. So once you put it in, it will lock. You see, this one don't have locker here, but they have the locker this side. So you put it this. So this one, if you're a beginner barber and you are using it, always be vigilant because this one it can move, it can remove at any time. Because if you are not expert using it, but we the expert, we sometimes use our hand to peg a little bit, to guide it. But if you are a beginner, Baba, you just place it like this and you do it. If you don't take care, you can just move. You get it. So that is it. So let's say taper, 3 steps, whatever. You take it to skin, then you put the number one guide, then you take it around, to create a gap for you to be able to feed. You understand? So you first of all create the gap. So once you create the gap around the skin, then we also have different guide. This one too is number one, but as you guys can see, this one is bigger than this one. So depending the hair size, but as for me, I use this one too. You see the difference. You see the difference. You see the difference. The same number one guide, but as you can see, this one is bigger than this one. And if you look at the teeth, it's different. You see, so that is how it is. So then you use this one to plug in, then you fade it down, then your next steps, and you are good to go. You get it. So this is how this is the tool I use. So when I use this one for skin, then I use this for fading. Sometimes I use this for fading, depending the hair size and how I want the hairstyle. You get it. Yeah. So that's it. So the difference in trimmer, this is the trimmer I use. Actually, this one you can use it for beard shaving, but this one is not strong. This one is not strong, so I don't actually use it. You get it. This one is not strong. This one to charge it. This one to charge it. So as you guys can see, this my clipper is very powerful. I have two. I have two of them. One, another one is here, and this one. I have two. So each one I have a two. So as a professional barber, try much as possible, invest in your clippers. It's very important. It's very important. Most of you don't want to buy clippers. If you don't have quality clippers, it might be difficult for you to deliver a quality haircut. So clippers play a major role. As a professional barber, what you can boost your chest to talk about is clippers. So I will encourage you to do your best. Make sure you invest in your clippers. You understand? Use 1 month, work hard, get money. Use that 1 month money to spend on clippers. Buy quality clippers. If you buy quality clippers, the work will be easy for you. Sometimes, if I use this for shaving, you guys will be asking, it is sharp, very sharp. You get it? Yes, very sharp. So I use this for shape cutting, and I use this for beard trimming, shaving and those stuff. I use this for design and those stuff. You get it? So once I use this for fading and those stuff, after that, then I use this for shape cutting, beard trimming and those stuff. And this one, the way I set it or the way it is, it's not painful. Those who are using it, agree with me that this one is very easy. As a beginner barber, if you are using this, it's not going to give your what do you call it, your clients balls, rashes, and those stuff. No, this one is very smooth, very easy to use. You get it. So that is it. So every barber, every beginner barber, make sure you are getting this clipper for yourself. You get it. This one use it for trim, beard, line up, hair, design, and those stuff. Then you use this one for shaving. What do you call, for trimming? Take its skin and depending on its size, everything. You get it. So that is it. And we have some people to their clippers make noise. You know, their clippers make noise. If your clipper is making noise, what you can do best is that make sure you always remove it. Always, you see the bolt here. Let me bring screwdriver. Wait for me. I'm coming. Let me bring screwdriver and demonstrate it to you guys for you to understand it. Well. It's very important for me to demonstrate it to you so that you understand what I'm trying to, explain to you. That's why I said today I want us to talk about clippers. You see, so you use your screwdriver, you screw here, then you remove it, then you clean the hair, the small there is hair, you clean it very nice. After that, fix it again, then you tighten it, you set it very well. Make sure that you see the blade, there is a small one inside and then a big one. Make sure the small ones like inside, like they see these ones, make sure it matches each other. It matches each other. It's very, very important. Because if you don't match each other, that is where you are using and your client will be complaining that your clipper is sharp. You get it? So make sure it's match each other and it's on the level, the same level, then you tighten it. That is how we set it. So after setting it that way, definitely your clipper will not make noise and it will pull very nice if only the blade is not, falling. It will cut the skin. So that's it. The same thing applies to this one. But this one, I have done a video about this. If you haven't watched, join my YouTube channel, Fresh VGH. Please, if you come across this video, make sure you share for others to benefit. If you guys don't share, you don't like, you don't comment, if you don't like, comment, share, how will I know that what I'm teaching, you are with me? You get it? Yeah. Try your best and like, share, comment so that I'll know that what I'm teaching, I'll keep bringing more. So you see this clipper, this one, if you have this clipper, it's very nice, very easy to use, but you need to be very careful because this clippers is not like this one. This clipper is not like this one. So it's not everybody that can open this clipper. It's not everybody. So once they set it, before you open it, you need a professional to open it because there is a spring inside. There is a spring inside. If you don't know how to set the spring and you open it, this clipper can become useless. You cannot use it again. So always make sure that this type of clipper, before you open it, you know much about it or you are expert before you can open it and set it the same way I set the other one. Clean it, you clean it, set it, and actually this one, you see this one is so open to the extent that you can even use the brush to brush all the hair out of it. So you don't really need to open it anytime. Unlike this one, see there is no gap here. But as for this one, you can see the gaps inside. You can use brush to brush the hair out of it. You get it? So that's it. So once you set it that you are good to go. And I always tell you guys that always make sure that you are applying oil to your clippers. Always apply oil to your clippers. It's very, very important. Most of you don't apply oil to your clippers. Oil helps, refix the clippers blade, make it pull, make it last long, make it we're able to cut skin. You get it? Yes, that is the use of oil. Because anytime you apply oil, you see that the energy will change. You see this one? If I apply oil now, you see that the energy, the sound will maximize. So that is how it is. So this is trimmer and this is clipper. That is the difference in it. Trimmer, clipper. Trimmer used for hair, line up, beard shaving, design, and those stuff. And this one used for haircut, trimming, skin, fading, and those stuff. You get it. So that is the difference. This one you cannot use it for fading. This one you cannot use this for fading, but this one you can use it for fading. You can use it for shape cutting. If only you set the blade very well, you can use it for shape cutting. You can use it for trimming. You can use it for shaving. Yes, the same clipper. So those who don't have money to buy multiple clippers, actually you can begin like that. Set it by a quality clipper, one like this. Set it very well. You can use it for shaving. Use it for beard lineup, for shape cutting. At the same time, use it for shaving, fading. You get it. But this one is only this trimmer is made for only shaving and lineup. That is what this made for. This one you cannot use it for fading. This one you cannot use it for fading. You cannot. If somebody tell you that you can use this for fading, tell the person that it's lie. Get it? So that is it. That is all about clippers. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. I'm here to answer all your questions. Get it? And this one, As you guys can see, this one too small. This one we use it for shaving, but actually I use this one for applying my white powder on the hairline. I put the powder on my palm like this, then I use it to take like this. As you guys can see, you can see there is a white powder, yes. Then I use it to take it like this, then I put it like this. I put it like this, I put it like this. So this is what I use. And actually you can on it, you can also off it, and you will still use it to apply your powder and everything. You get it. So this is your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. If you come across this video, make sure you share for others to benefit. You understand? Share for others to benefit. You can follow me on Facebook, Fresh VGA, YouTube, Fresh VGA TV, TikTok, Fresh VGA, Instagram, Fresh VGA. These are the platform I'm in. I post tips every day. Anything about barbering, you can ask me, can contact me. I'm ready to answer all your questions. You understand? This is your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. So that's it. So these are some of the clippers I use. Yes, very expensive. But once you are in the industry, you need to buy it, because without this, I cannot deliver any haircut. Without this, without this, I cannot deliver any haircut. So it's very, very important for you to pay attention to your clippers. Make sure you are investing in your clippers. You buy clippers for fading, trimming, then you buy trimmers for shaving, for line up, for design. You get it? Yeah, very, very important. So if you don't have it, make sure you get it separate. Clippers for trimming, what do you call it? Then you get trimmer for shaving, for lineup. This is the difference. Trimmer and what do you call it? Trimmer and clippers. That is the difference in it. So make sure you get it. You get the two. Get at least, if you cannot buy these two, make sure you buy this one and buy this one. For the meantime, because if you have multiple clippers, it helps you. It helps prolong the life of the clippers. If you have multiple, you see this one is two. I use this for almost 1.5 year, getting to 2 years. Then I buy this one. You get it? So they are two. So I don't really stress the old one like that. Though the old one stays strong than the, what do you call it, the new one. But I don't stress the old one like that. I'm now using the new one much than the older one. You get it? So that is how it is. So if you use this one small, use this small, use this small, use this small, you see that it will prolong the life of the clippers. This is your tip master. Do well. Follow me. Stay connected for more.